here is how to get a list of accounts you've sent a follow request to on Instagram. So let's get started. If you haven't already, open Instagram and come to the profile page that's at the bottom right. Once you're here, click on the three lines which are on the top right, and here select Account Center. Now click on Your Information and Permissions, and over here click on Export Your Information. Then here click on Create Export. If you have multiple accounts, select the account for which you'd want to do this. Then select Export to Device. And here we have to change a few options. So just select Customize Information, and here clear all information other than connections. So for everything else, just select Clear All and keep scrolling down. But connections, we have to keep that selected. So this includes contacts, followers, and following. Then again scroll down and select Clear All. And then click on Save. After that, select Date Range, and here you can select the date range. For now, I'll leave it as all time and click on Save. Then scroll down and click on Start Export. You'll have to enter your password for security. Click on Continue, and then it may take a few minutes for Instagram to come up with all this data. But once it's available, you'll see it written below Available Downloads, and then just click on Download. That's here. Click on Download again, Continue, and as you can see, the file just got downloaded and it's saved in our Downloads folder. So now just click on it, then select My Files or any file viewing app that you have. Then over here click on Connections, Followers and Following, and you'll find this option, Recent Follow Requests.html. Click on this, then select any browser to view this, and now click on Open. And here you'll get a list of all the recent follow requests which you've sent. And they've said that these are follow requests you've recently sent which were either confirmed or deleted. And here they've given all the information like the username, the date, and the time. So this is how it works. And if you want to see who doesn't follow you back on Instagram, check out this video. Goodbye.